Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the storage section. Then switch from this device to SD card, in my case USB. Tap on three dots and select format. Then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds all the data from this card will be formatted and it will be ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.